Hello, I'm Miss Kelly, and today is your test, so we will start. What's your name and how do you spell it?
My name is Han. K-H-A-N-H.
Okay, you make it louder. How old are you?
And I yell.
How many people are there in your family?
There are four people in my family. My dad, my mom, my brother, and me.
What color is your hair?
It's black.
What color are your eyes?
They are black and white.
What animals do you like?
I fly panda.
What things have you got in your bedroom?
It's best. It's bus and snow.
Okay. Is there a teddy next to the bed?
Yes, there is.
Is there a bed in the bedroom?
Yes, there is.
How many socks are there on the floor?
There are two socks on the floor.
What's under the desk?
Box.
Where's the blanket?
The blanket is on the desk.
What color is the blanket?
It's red.
Where's the computer?
The computer is on the desk.
What's on the wall?
The picture is on the wall.
How many pens are there on the cupboard?
There are three pens on the cupboard.
How many books are there on the shelf?
There are three books on the shelf.
Okay, next. What can he do?
He stands tall.
Can the girl dance?
Yes, she can.
Can the boy sing?
No, she can't.
What can the monkey do?
It can climb.
Can the girl walk?
No, she can't.
Can the boy swim?
No, he can't.
That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
That's right.